when these first came in, because of how small they are, I thought that they sent me some little kid socks. But no, these are the right socks. They just stretch. They stretch a lot. So I wear size 12. The large size is the size that would fit me, but I got a medium. So let me try these on. I already tried them on once because I thought they were kid socks. Usually when I try on socks, I try it on the first time on the video. But I was like, hey, they gave me some baby socks. But then I tried them on, like, oh, they fit. And they're really comfortable. They're super light. So this is all meshy. The material is the same thickness. They're thin on the bottom, but it's a more solid material. They feel really good. These are super, super light. These are like really, really light. The lightest socks that I've ever worn, you know, are equal to these. So if you want a light sock, these are them. They feel really good. They're really stretchy. So I wear a 12, and these are mediums. And I got ideally the large would be my size, but these fit me. And they're multicolor. The ones I have right here. So there you go. Have yourself a great day.